it's me, Paige Paxton with Fulenwider Dodge, showing you how to use your lane assist, a safety feature that most cars have nowadays. It is an option. I'm in a 2023 Dodge Charger right now. Wanted to show you where your lane assist is. Please note, this is off, this is on. Your lane assist is on. Also, you know that by this display right here, that's your lane assist. You're driving along and it's going to correct you to not go over there, and it actually turns yellow when it's in when it has to fix it for you, and then it corrects it. But my hands are currently off the steering wheel, and it's going to prompt me to put my hands back on the steering wheel. So if you watch right here, place hands on steering wheel. If you don't place your hands on the steering wheel, lane sense will go off. Hope this helps. Thanks. Give me a call, 325-320-4690. Appreciate you. Bye-bye.